Welcome back to iMotors Mind, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of cars and bikes. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda City, a car that's been a staple in the compact sedan segment for years, now reimagined with new features, design upgrades, and enhanced performance. Let's get started. The 2025 Honda City has undergone a sleek redesign, blending elegance with a touch of sportiness. At first glance, you'll notice the bold front grille, flanked by sharp LED headlamps that give it a more aggressive stance. The aerodynamic lines flowing from the hood to the rear not only add to its visual appeal but also improve fuel efficiency. The 16-inch alloy wheels and the subtle chrome accents on the door handles and window trims further enhance its sophisticated look. This model is available in a range of colors, including a new, eye-catching deep scarlet pearl. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that's all about comfort and technology. The 2025 Honda City features a premium leather-wrapped steering wheel, soft-touch materials on the dashboard, and an overall ergonomic design that makes every drive enjoyable. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system is the centerpiece of the dashboard, now equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda has also improved the seating comfort with better cushioning and lumbar support, making long journeys less tiring. Rear passengers will appreciate the generous legroom, thanks to the car's extended wheelbase, and the rear AC vents ensure everyone stays cool. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda City offers two engine options: a 1.5-liter Ride-Tech petrol engine and a 1.5-liter Ride-Tech diesel engine. The petrol engine delivers 119 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT, offering a smooth and responsive driving experience. The diesel variant, on the other hand, churns out 98 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque, providing excellent fuel efficiency and robust performance. Honda has also introduced an e-HEV hybrid version, combining the petrol engine with an electric motor for enhanced fuel economy and lower emissions. Honda has packed the 2025 City with advanced technology and safety features. The car comes with Honda Sensing, a suite of safety technologies that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking system, and road departure mitigation. The multi-angle rear-view camera and parking sensors make maneuvering in tight spots a breeze. The infotainment system now supports voice commands, and the digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information at a glance. So, what sets the 2025 Honda City apart from its competitors? First, it's the hybrid option, offering a blend of performance and efficiency that's hard to beat in this segment. Second, the enhanced interior quality and spaciousness make it a top choice for families and professionals alike. Lastly, the inclusion of Honda Sensing as standard across all variants makes the City one of the safest cars in its class. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda City continues to uphold its reputation as a reliable, stylish, and feature-packed sedan. Whether you're looking for efficiency, comfort, or cutting-edge technology, the new City has something to offer. If you're in the market for a compact sedan that delivers on all fronts, the 2025 Honda City should definitely be on your radar. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iMotors Mind for more in-depth reviews on the latest cars and bikes. See you next time.